Are we almost there? We are now going to climb what very quickly became one of my favorite buildings here in Bruges. Yesterday, Nathan said that we were going to climb that tower at 8 o'clock. I woke up very early today so I could get ready, but it turns out that it was just a joke. However, I still had time to get all my waffles in.
The tower does not have an elevator, so you will have to climb. However, along the way, there are floors to take breaks, and it tells you how many steps you are from the top and how many steps you are from the bottom.
The whole way up or down will look like this. Are we almost there?
The great bell is used to signal very special occasions, such as a public execution or going to battle, and it's also used for proclamations. There have been 10 previous great bells, the last one being constructed in 1745, but it had cracked, so this bell came from the Church of Our Lady in 1800 and is called Bell Maria.
This medieval bell tower, built in the 13th century, is located at the center of it all. It stands over 83 meters tall and offers stunning views of the city. As Kevin mentioned, one can fall quickly in love with it because of its beauty. It is one of the most iconic landmarks in Bruges and a popular tourist attraction. A ticket will cost you 15 euros, or you can use your Museo Bruges card to get in.
All that hard work paid off. We are rewarded with these views. Paris is that way. I can see the Eiffel Tower from here.
That jumbled mess actually sounds better from the ground, and you'll recognize it as Ludwig van Beethoven's Sonatina in G major. Different melodies will play every 15 minutes and change every other Easter.
That's our Airbnb right there. That tower was a wonderful experience. It is 11 a.m., it is raining, it is our last day here, and Nathan couldn't leave without having one last Belgian beer.
We are going to the beer experience, but I promise you that that will not be my last Belgian beer.
Somebody's getting married and we're gonna crash that wedding.
The Biermuseum, as its name suggests, is a cultural hub showcasing the rich history of beer around the world, from its brewing process to the various types of delicious brews unique to this country and others. Here, I gained a deeper understanding of the cultural significance of beer here in Belgium, and a knowledge that enhanced my appreciation for the beloved beverage. However, I didn't need too much extra encouragement. For those of you who do not enjoy the wonders of beer, you can purchase a ticket without beer tastings for 13 euros. Otherwise, a 19 euro ticket will let you taste 3 beer samples once you finish visiting the museum. And don't forget to get other snacks as well. Many places offer lockers for your belongings. Just make sure you have a 1 euro coin handy. We're having lunch now. What do you know, frites?
We're gonna be doing our last activity of this trip.
We're headed to the Historium Bruges.
It is right behind us.
It might be our last scheduled activity, but I'm sure we'll still walk around afterwards.
It is such a beautiful Gothic building.
Oh yay, dear visitors Yes, you are about to travel back in time to Bruges in the Middle Ages. Welcome to Historium.
I went into this with a little bit of skepticism, but I'll be honest, this was one of my favorite experiences here in Bruges. Using this VR headset, you will first immerse yourself in a medieval journey. They did a great job portraying this city as it would have been back then. Once you're done exploring medieval Bruges, you'll journey through their 7 historical-themed rooms that display a love story film between a model and Jan van Eyck's apprentice. We actually had to do this 3 times, because when we were done with the VR experience, they told us to go into this area with the films and that it would start automatically. However, we waited for a good 5 minutes and nothing happened. We started opening doors, and at some point, we thought we were in an escape room. Then we decided to backtrack and return to the lobby, where they let us in with another group. The films were working then, but this time our audio guides were not. So we decided we had to go back, once again, to meet our newfound friends in the lobby. The 3rd time was the charm though, and we could finally enjoy the experience as intended. When you finish the film experience, there's a museum section with a terrace and awesome views of the Grote Markt.
That was such a great trip. We are going to try and enjoy this wonderful weather that we're having right now, and we'll see you on the next one.
Hey, all you wanderers out there, thanks for watching our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to find out what we're bound to next. And remember, I see you shiver with anticipation.